So yes, it's true. I sold this beautiful car. I sold it to be able to get this. Hi, Kella here with Belangs. Welcome to today's episode about insights, inspiration, integration. And today I want actually to talk about inspiration. So I sold my car to get a bike. Yes, you heard me correctly. I sold my car for an e-bike. In Holland, it's very clear to see that everybody is biking, even the prime minister. So it's enough to just Google Mark Rutte on the bike and all these images pop up. Besides that, actually it's more about the lifestyle. So I didn't actually exchange the car with the e-bike, which e-bike actually it's a lot more expensive than the car, and I still have to wait until in the summer to get it. It's about the lifestyle. This experience, the experience of exploring the mountains, the love for mountains, this is what actually really captured me. But because it's so steep in the mountains, I decided I need a good e-bike. And this is what I ordered. And not just that, but the experience of being out there, of exploring, of enjoying, of improvising, of seeing new things. It is a way of living, a lifestyle, and it's because I want to do it with regularity. That's why I sold my car. What would it be that you would be able to pay the price in order to follow and to pursue a dream? And a dream is not something unreachable in a far away. A dream is something like almost like a plan. I've been nourishing the idea of an e-bike for a couple of years now, and I've been researching and studying. So this idea is not like yesterday born. It's like a couple of years I did over it.